Hello friends, welcome to BMH Learning. This video deals with at-home medical tests or simply blood tests at home. Basically, at-home medical tests are kits that you can buy online or at your local pharmacy or supermarket. Common at-home tests are pregnancy tests, glucose tests, fecal occult blood test, test for infectious diseases, and genetic tests. Now, how these tests are used? They are frequently used to find or screen for disorders before you have symptoms, help diagnose pregnancy early, and monitor chronic diseases. This was all. Thanks for watching.